Look, I ain't getting this good car. Go.
Hey, what's going on though? For real, nigga? Huh? That chill, bro. You already know the real nigga. Nigga, we in the motherfucking hood. Pull up, nigga. You know what I'm saying? For real. Pull up, cuz. Hey, grab me. Why it right here? Pick me up, cuz. All right.
I don't know what to do.
I just moved on.
Hey, y'all been watching my stilo, listening for that D-Lo. Waiting to get something to talk about when they crowd around with they people. Got me feeling like Nino, appealing to these zeros. True religions and gummos, pocket full of them heroes. Don't worry about what all he know, he need a part of my equal. I'm balling on them, they mad at me, they finally taking these free throws. Drop pack where we on, y'all still hollering about popcorn. Drop rats where I own, y'all still hollering about getting on. You hating on me, dog, something wrong, cause if you was straight you wouldn't condone. Since you a hater, ain't got no paper, then you know you gon' get shitted on. You open door to get fronted on, knowing damn well your money gone. My money long, campaign strong, and it bankroll bigger than you don't. Love. Like I told y'all, bro, man. It's here. Playing around. For sure. Stand down. Great. Let them hate. Put a bankroll in their face. Let them hate. Put a bankroll in their face. What you say? Put a bankroll in their face. Put a bankroll in their face. Put a bankroll in their face. Let them hate. Put a bankroll in their face. Let them hate. Put a bankroll in their face. What you say? Put a bankroll in their face. Put a bankroll in their face. Put a bankroll in their face. You know, like I told them folk, man. You feel me? I am Mr. Broke the North. Yo, Mr. I shine with no lights on. You understand me? Get it to my finest. Real dude. Pull up.
Got Duke in the ball.
They kicking up with Bill. Shut up, Bill. Fuck that. They all watching my pivot, trying to figure out how I did it. They knows all in my business, don't worry about what I'm spending. Got me feeling like did it, that dirty money I get it. I'm so true religion, so Mac dealing, so Gucci tour it's ridiculous. That Benz and push it 260, these shades got on your spiffy. That bank bid, that green shit, got my swagger on eating it. Y'all still chasing these bitches, but I'm still chasing these tickets. Bitch, don't get caught in your feelings, cause all I'm doing is just living. And I do not play soccer, so I ain't got time to be kicking it. Best to get you some money, stop being bummy, this fuck with me, bitch. Party nights be the illest, these hoes be all on the ceiling. My money down the on endless.